Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. This is just going to be a super short video. I am just giving a shout out to the winners of the 1K giveaway, and just to show everybody that, you know, everybody got their gifts, everybody got their prizes. So the winner for box, oh, and their pictures will be up in the corner somewhere with the gifts that they got, or the prizes. So the winner to the first box was Brandy Reynolds, and the runner-up for the first box was Sandy Meacham. The winner of the second box was Sherry Lampier, and the runner-up was Glambert Music Lover 23. And then for the Alyssa Edwards palette, Evelyn Rose. And then her runner-up was Vicky Green, but Vicky Green never contacted me, so I had to draw another winner, and I ended up drawing Janet G. And then, of course, for the super short giveaway, that was the Michael Kors purse. Grace Tilley was the winner for that. So again, congratulations to you all, and sometime this week, I will be throwing up the new giveaway. So it'll be for when we hit 1,500 subscribers. So that'll be going up sometime this week. I'm not sure when, but I hope to see you all there. Have a great day. Bye.